Welcome back to a journey through the timeless wisdom of the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. In our previous episodes, we explored verses 1 to 10, where King Dhritarashtra's question set the tone for an epic war between Dharma and Adharma. We saw Duryodhan's fear build as he witnessed the might of the Pandava army, led by Krishna himself, with legendary warriors ready to fight for righteousness. Each verse till now has unwrapped the growing psychological tension in Duryodhan's mind. He's deeply anxious, even surrounded by his massive army, and now in verses 11 and 12, Duryodhan makes a decisive move.
आयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा भागमवस्थिता भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि तस्य संजनयन् हर्षं कुरु वृद्धः पितामहः सिंहनादं विनद्योच्चैः शङ्खं दद्मौ प्रतापवान्.
He calls for full support around Bhishma, the greatest warrior on his side. He instructs his generals, guard Bhishma from all sides while holding your own post. A tactical order on the surface, but deeply psychological underneath. This isn't just a strategy, it's Duryodhan's silent cry for reassurance. He senses instability within his own courage. Bhishma, the grandsire, respected by both sides, understands Duryodhan's fear. He sees through his facade. And then, Bhishma roars, not out of anger, but out of duty, to ignite confidence in Duryodhan. The battlefield hears the lion of Kurus. That single sound changes the atmosphere. It's a psychological booster, a signal that war is now real. And so is Bhishma's resolve. Bhishma knew the truth. Victory lay where Krishna stood. But loyalty, duty, and destiny still tied him to Duryodhan. In ancient times, the blowing of conch shells wasn't just a signal. It was sacred, a spiritual invocation of courage, energy, and divine witness. On a deeper level, this isn't just war on Kurukshetra. It's the war within. Duryodhan represents ego and fear. Bhishma, the wise but bound mind. Krishna, the soul. In today's world, whether in families or offices, this scene repeats. Leaders often seek validation, not strength. And seasoned mentors must sometimes play the lion. Like a father who knows the challenge is too big, but still gives hope to his child, Bhishma roared, because the moment demanded courage. Thus ends this moment where strategy, psychology, love, and dharma intersect. This is not just the start of war, it's the rise of inner conflict. If you're finding this journey as soul-stirring as we are, don't forget to like, comment, and share. The war has just begun, and the greatest lessons lie ahead. Subscribe and stay tuned for verse 13 and beyond.